Good evening. With the changing temperatures at this time of year, ice can form on sidewalks and roadways, making for a slippery situation. But as Fraser Snowden reports, there are different ways you can protect yourself to prevent from taking a tumble.
There are a few ways to prevent which can sometimes be a treacherous slip, including what you wear. Things called snow grabbers can be placed on your shoes and allow your feet to grip the ice.
Owner of Sprucewood Pharmacy, Jody Gilby, says there are other things you can use too.
We have the cane tips and the crutch tips, the ice tips that you can put on your canes or crutches, or there's canes that actually come with little ice picks in them. The other thing you can do is get a quad cane that has a bigger base at the bottom, so it's a little bit more secure when you're walking.
As far as melting the ice along your own property, Assistant Manager of Home Depot, Robert McMahon, says there are a variety of salt products available to choose from.
So we have a couple of different options, a couple of different brands that we do carry. One of them called the Alaskan Ice Melt. They have a couple of different products, all environmentally safe, all pet and kid friendly. Some of it even good for the lawn come the springtime. And they do have products that will range in temperature and coverage for up to minus 31 degrees.
If you do slip, you can fall a certain way to ensure you don't sustain a serious injury.
If it's how you fall. If you can fall with your arm outstretched, you may protect other parts of your body like your face, but you're going to end up having a broken wrist, perhaps, especially in the older age group.
Saeed adds to be extra careful if you hit your head on the ice and take it easy for at least 48 hours. Fraser Snowden, Newcap News.
The provincial health minister says he has people looking into things after he was informed that a laptop containing the names, birth dates, and health card numbers and medical history of more than 620,000 Albertans had been stolen last September. Fred Horn says he wants to know what happened, why health authorities were only told about the incident now, and whether or not anyone's privacy has been breached. Well, area residents will now have the opportunity to voice their concerns and provide input on Alberta's transportation network. Richard Starkey, Minister of Tourism, Parks and Recreation, will be holding a town hall meeting next week. The meeting is in the first phase in the development of a 50-year transportation strategy for Alberta. Now, it will cover all areas, including railway, port, air, public and active transportation.
They are to gather public opinion and input as to some of the things that need to be considered in formulating a strategy that is going to guide the development of all aspects of our transportation system for the next 50 years.
For 2 months, the town hall meetings will be held in 18 communities throughout the province.
Really critical that we're able to move people as well as goods, commodities, those sorts of things throughout our province and do it in a way that's safe and secure and sustainable, and that's the whole intent of this plan.
If you would like to take part, the meeting will be on January 29th from 6 to 9 p.m. at the Service Sports Centre in the OTS room. You can visit transportation.alberta.ca for more information.